All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Phil from DefydeGarage. We are back with another video. Now I have some very exciting news. You guys will see it's really zoomed in on my face. That's because I actually just made a brand new purchase. Now, unlike my other videos, it is not a car from the auction to rebuild. I actually just bought one of my dream cars, and I bought it just to enjoy it for a little bit until it's time to move on to the next one. Without further ado, my brand new 2017 C63 AMG. Now this thing is a monster. Little backstory to this vehicle. I actually found it about 5 hours away from where I live. Did some negotiating, and yesterday, me and my family, we just went down there, picked it up, drove it all the way back, got to enjoy it for a 5-hour drive, and today I've been shredding the streets with this thing. It is so fun to drive. Now, usually I'm a BMW guy, and that's my thing, but this is one of my dream cars. This thing is a monster. So let's roll the B-roll. So this car, as you guys saw some of the features on it, is equipped with a V8 twin turbo 469 horsepower engine. So the only thing that is not stock on this vehicle is the intake filters right here. This is equipped with a performance one. The regular ones are not as good, but still good. It is a C63, so they're gonna come good regardless. But other than that, this car has nothing done to it. It is bone stock, and it is very fun to drive. I'm definitely going to be doing a more in-depth review of this vehicle, a little bit of driving with it, showing you guys kind of some of the features. But this thing, thank you birds, they're actually chirping for how nice the car is, you know, because it matches the color of these birds. But this thing is an absolute monster. Now, my brother has a C63 W204, which is the 2011 one. His, I believe, is tuned by factory because he has a P31 package, which means it has a little bit more horsepower and a limited slip differential. They should be about hand in hand with how fast they are, but I definitely want to do an in-depth review of both of the vehicles to show you guys the differences between those two vehicles. Now, this guy is a beast. I love this car. So far, I mean, I've had it for 1 day and it has been great. Has really good gas mileage. For a car with this much horsepower, it's way better than my BMW's gas mileage, which is surprising, but that's basically going to be the video. I just want to show you guys the AMG. You guys can see a little bit of it, but there will be a more in-depth video in the future where I'm showing you guys more of the features and actually driving it. And if I do any upgrades or maintenance or whatever, I will be recording that for the channel as well. Make sure to subscribe and like so that you guys will always be able to see the newest videos on this vehicle and all the other ones that we have on the channel. If you guys did enjoy, it's Phil from DefydeGarage, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.